Welcome to the For Your Party Customizer, your shortcut to one-of-a-kind party details. Pick a product, tweak fonts, colors, and graphics, then preview it live before you buy. First, choose a product. Today, we'll be demonstrating with our custom napkins. So let's click Custom Napkins to open the napkin editor and get started. Once you've chosen your product, it's time to select your printing style. We're choosing foil. Next, pick a style. Here, we're selecting the diamond cocktail napkin for a classic look. Next, you'll choose your paper color and foil finish, shiny, matte, or satin. We're selecting one of our most popular combinations of linen-like hunter green with shiny gold foil, but we have plenty to choose from. To add text, simply click the text box and type what you want printed on your product. Pick a font from the drop-down, adjust the size to fit, use the Arch tool to add a curve, then drag the text into place. You can add multiple text boxes too. Just click the Add New Text Field button. This makes it easy to mix fonts, sizes, or messages on the same product. Want to add a graphic? Click on Graphics, search for the image you want, then click it to add. To resize, click on the graphic and drag the border to the desired size, then position it exactly where you want. Want to use your own logo or artwork? Go to Upload Graphics and click the Upload Your Art button. From there, simply select your file, and once it's uploaded, it will appear in your art library. From there, just click your artwork to add it to the preview, then resize and position it just like any other graphic. Happy with your final product? Click Add to Cart to save your design and continue to checkout. That's it. Custom party details made easy.